So aside the fact that you were always there, I know that a lot of the alumni were there to support me. James, there are many. I cannot start listing the names now.
You think actually got you your first role?
What got me my first role was because I became grounded in all that I was being taught, trained, and the constant, going back and forth with the training. Oh, okay, well, why don't you understand this now? I've told you this more than 5 times. So, I think it was the training, and I got into that interview, and I could tell that I was talking like a pro. When you learn from the best, and then I'm just talking, and I could just picture all what you were saying, and I could picture it, and I could, and the practical classes that we had as well helped. I would not lie, because that was where we came as a team group, talk about, how do we go about this, how to, work with our brain to get results. I think that also helped for me. And, getting to that interview and being asked those questions and responding the way that I responded, I knew that that was my job. When I was doing that interview, I knew that I'd gotten the job, because I sounded like an expert on that job, on that interview.
Okay, well done. Thanks for that. I think the next thing I would want to understand, and obviously we want our viewers to also understand, is so now that you are you're on your third job. So what has working in data management enabled you to do that you couldn't do before?
A lot, a lot. I would say a lot of things. I used to be, I'm still a business person. So I have never had to go into a corporate organization to have a conversation. I have never had to work with people as a team. It's just transformed my life from what I used to be to, I think, times 100%. My life transformed. So it's a new, it's a game changer. I would say it's a game changer for me. Is it financially? Hey, let's not even go into that. So it's done a lot. I would not even, I don't know what to say, but it's just transformed my life. It's just transformed my life entirely. It's been an interesting journey, and still an interesting journey, because I would pick data governance again and again, because there's a work-life balance. I don't get to spend so much time doing a job that I'm heavily paid for.